Hi Alex here talking about Forex for small investors where we discuss the most important currency pairs in the world, the Euro US dollar, as well as the British pound US dollar. We have this plan which is the most affordable plan for investors, offering you 100% accuracy trading these currency pairs, very close to it, and comparing to what you have in the industry, it is not comparable. Okay, so mathematically speaking, this is rather simple to explain. What everyone else says, okay, what everyone else says, 93% of it is a scam. Okay. In other words, you lose money all the time. Versus a plan where users, and you have the statements online from real brokers' accounts, users paying the service for the plan within hours. Obviously, depending on the size of your account, okay? So I'm referring within hours. Others might take days, others they might take, I don't know, months, depends on the size of your account. I'm referring to small accounts. It's the most affordable plan that we have based on the ratio price value worldwide, okay? Where the performance of this plan, the Forex, I can guarantee to you that so far, but I cannot speak for the futures, I can only speak since it exists, it has never given any important loss to anyone. Okay? So if you go to the reviews online, and this, by the way, information is utilized, you have then the other option is the AI Forex, which is by far more advanced. It is utilized by institutions all over the world and professional investors. But for small investors, you have the Forex. And the Forex plan, it is 100% free, included in bundles. So we have bundles like the AI Perelman, where we have 100% free Tesla, we have 100% free the Forex market. And when I say 100% free, is that we don't charge for it. It is 100% free. So, for example, if you want to subscribe to Tesla for small investors, instead of spending, or investing 50,000 US dollars, you have it completely free in the AI Perelman, and AI Perelman is not by far more expensive. So it is, it is as it is free. So that is one of the reasons why we have AI Perelman as the most popular bundle or package, okay? So I referred here to the Forex. And with this, I terminate. Thank you.